For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and let's take a look at using Fibonacci ratios with two standard deviation gap reversals. Here we see that we've got Kroger Company first thing in the morning. We've got a 2SD gap on this one to the upside. It's up about $1.80, I think, from the close. And we see that the second bar is beginning to form. So we close down low in the bar right at the pivot line. That can create a little bit of confusion sometimes. Do you enter at the pivot? Do you not enter at the pivot? Is it going to bounce? What's going to happen here? So what we can do is use our Fibonacci tools to zoom in a little bit and give us a better understanding of where price may go. So just trace this out on the first bar at trading. And we can see here that if we get a bump up into this area right here, then we've got a good place to rest a stop to short us and target first the bottom of the opening bar, and then that's going to be a little bit tight, and then target down to about that 74 range. So that would be a decent move on a gap reversal. So let's see if we get up and tag that entry line, and then if we do, we'll have a look at what happens in the minutes that follow that. And if we get up through that entry line and wind up hitting the 50% line, which would be the next line up, right? So we're looking to enter at the 382 in this case, as price seems to be stalling out a little bit here. And if we hit the 50% line and exceed it, we would use that as our stop loss on this first leg of the trade. There is the move to that trigger price. So now we are short KR and looking for a reversal back down. So the first place we're looking for it to go is down to this 59.74 band and then down to 59.65. Here we see that after the trigger we move down through that 60.15 pivot, down through the low of the morning, and hit the 59.74 target and the 59.65 target. So that is the opening gap trade in Kroger Company. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.